MySQL is an open-source relational database management system that uses structured query language. It is most noted for its quick processing, proven reliability, ease and flexibility of use. In this video, we will explain the process of how to get connected to MySQL through Bird application. This is the login page of the Bird application. Please log in as a creator, with the provided username and password details. Once logged in, click on Create Report option, which is available on the left side of the home page. You will get a Connections window page as shown. From here, click on the Add Connections button, which is placed on the top right side of the page. The Add Connections window displays a list of available connections. From here, select the MySQL connection. In this page, name the connection. Provide the IP address, where the MySQL server is hosted. Provide the port number of the MySQL. Provide the database name, username, and password. Once all the details are provided, validate the connection by clicking on Test Connection button. If the connection details are correct, then the system displays a friendly message saying that the test connection is success, as shown, which means you are able to connect to the source database successfully. Now click on the Next button, which is available at the bottom right side of the page, from where you will be directed to the Define Joins screen. In the Define Joins screen, a list of tables, stored procedures, and views, which are available in the source database are displayed. Or, if you are familiar with the query languages and based on your data, you can also write your own custom query to create a storyboard. From the list of available tables, stored procedures, and views, you can drag and drop your required tables or stored procedures or views, to create a report. Once the table is selected, click on the Next button as shown in this video. You will be directed to the Modify Entities screen, where you can update the display names to business semantic names, and can also change the data types if required. Select at least one unique ID field from the available columns, in order to avoid duplicate data in the report. On clicking the Next button, the user will be shown a preview of the data. In the Preview Data page, the user can also create custom fields during the data ingestion period itself by clicking on the Settings button as shown. On clicking the Finish button, a storyboard will be created with 12 tiles by default. User can also add more tiles if required and customize the storyboard according to their business use case. This is how we can create a report in Bird application by using the MySQL connector. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you.